The first thing that caught my attention was the design of the Redmi 12. Xiaomi's design team comes off as lazy in this aspect, with the phone pretty much a replica of Tecno's Spark 10 Pro and the Infinix Hot 30. The phone features a sleek, slim profile with a glossy glass back that feels premium in hand. It comes in a variety of colors, catering to various tastes. It does not feel cheap at all. Now, Xiaomi managed to maintain a sturdy build, with the buttons having a satisfying click to them. However, one downside is its lack of an IP rating. At least I am not aware of any, so be cautious with dust and water exposure. All ports and buttons are present in their usual positions, with the power button doubling as its fingerprint sensor, and also present is an IR blaster for controlling your electronic appliances. The Redmi 12 has a 6.79 inches 90Hz IPS LCD panel with a 1080p resolution. The colors are vibrant and the brightness levels are adequate for indoor use. Outdoor visibility is decent, but it could be better on sunny days. It's a great display for media consumption and gaming, considering the budget segments. The multimedia experience is quite enjoyable on this device. The sizable display makes watching videos great, but the lack of dual stereo speakers to enhance the audio experience is quite noticeable. However, you might want to use earphones for a better sound quality. Sadly, those are not included in the box. Under the hood, the Redmi 12 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, coupled with a 4GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, depending on the variant you choose. In day-to-day tasks, the phone handles everything smoothly with barely noticeable lags or hiccups. Gaming on this device is impressive for its price range, but it is not a gaming-first device. Titles like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile run smoothly on medium settings. However, heavy games like Genshin Impact might require reducing the graphics settings for a smoother experience. In addition, if you're looking to game with this device, I would advise you go for the 8GB RAM variant. The Redmi 12 runs on MIUI 14 based on Android 13. Xiaomi has made some significant improvements in terms of the overall UI speed, but bloatware seems to have doubled. MIUI 14 brings new features like enhanced privacy controls and smoother animations. However, some users might prefer a stock Android experience. Now let's talk about the camera's performance. The Redmi 12 comes with a triple camera setup on the rear, featuring a 50MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens with no depth sensor. In well-lit conditions, the primary sensor captures okay images. The ultra-wide lens does a decent job but lacks some sharpness around the edges, even though a way better output than the primary camera. The macro lens is fun to play with but does not offer exceptional results, as it lacks details. Low light performance is quite terrible, as it struggles with this and there is noticeable noise in the images. Selfies, on the other hand, are usable for its price range. For video, the Redmi 12 can shoot up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The video quality is quite terrible and lacks image stabilization, which might disappoint some users. Overall, the camera setup is decent for a budget phone, but don't expect super mid-range level results. The Redmi 12 has a 5000 mAh batteries and the phone easily lasts a full day, but with heavy usage, it might let you down. The phone supports 18 watts charging, which is decent for its price range. However, Xiaomi could have included a faster charger in the box. It takes around 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours to fully charge this device from 0 to 100%, so keep that in mind. Other features include Face Unlock, which is snappy and works well under good lighting conditions. The phone also has a dedicated micro SD card slot, which is fantastic for expanded storage. So, after thoroughly testing the Redmi 12, what's my final verdict? Well, Xiaomi has done a commendable job with this budget offering. It is an all-round performer with a beautiful design, a satisfactory display, good performance, and excellent battery life, but it won't compete with higher-end mid-range smartphones. If you're on a tight budget and you need a reliable daily driver that won't break the bank, the Redmi 12 is definitely worth considering. It offers excellent value for money and won't disappoint you in most aspects, even though quite a number of users complain about software issues. So maybe look out for that. If it helps, Xiaomi promises 2 years of security and software updates, which is great. That's it for today's video, folks. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more interesting tech content like this. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Redmi 12 in the comment section below. And if this does not cut it for you, hit the link above to check out my review on the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, or watch any of the suggested videos at the end of this one. Thank you for your time. Till we see you again. Bye-bye.